It's the Can Fan Fun channel. DIY Nickelodeon slime. Hey guys, it's Grace from the Can Fan Fun channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to be making some themed Nickelodeon slime today, and I'm so excited, so let's get on to the video. Okay, so the ingredients you'll be needing for this amazing Nickelodeon slime is this washable colored glue that's green. But if you don't have it, you could use this glue with food coloring. Then next, you'll be needing this baking soda. Then you could use contact lens solution or borax. And then you'll need a thing to mix in, anything to mix with. And over here, you'll also need something to put your slime in, and so it won't get dry. And of course, a paper towel. Things might get messy on this one. Trust me on that one too. Now, let's get mixing. Okay, now first you need the glue. Yeah. Now, this is brand new glue, so I'm not gonna put too much, or else I'll waste it. Put it in. I'm being super careful. My container is very small. This small. So I gotta be careful not to put that much slime. But if I do put so much slime, I'll just dry it out. Okay. And next, you'll need to stir it. Now that I mixed it, you need to get baking soda and take a little tiny pinch. Okay, then you're gonna stir it again, just like when you put the glue in. Guys, I added contact solution, but the part when I added contact solution, it got cut out. So make sure to add contact solution and baking soda. Now, back to the video. Okay, now that I stirred it all, when it kind of looks like this, that means that it's ready. If it's very sticky, that doesn't mean it's not ready. It just means you just need a little knead it. It's just a little sticky. Okay guys, I shall show you her slime once it's perfectly kneaded. Okay, now that I mixed it all up and all that stuff, my slime is ready. Now for the ASMR. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite type of slime is. Until next time, bye.